Namaste friend, are you suffering from snoring or are you affected by snoring? If somebody is snoring at night and you could not sleep, if yes, please watch this video. I will be trying to answer 3 questions. What is snoring? Why does it happen? And what could be the solution? This is based on my personal experience that I experimented with myself and with my family members. So I would love to share this, my experience with you so that you could benefit from this. So let's start with the first question. What is snoring? Snoring is simply an obstructed breathing through your mouth or nose when you are asleep. Second question, why does it happen? There are many reasons. Some of the reasons are cold, you have an underlying illness, your weight gain, and there could be many other reasons. But I want to focus more on what could be the solution. So as I already said, I experimented with my family. For instance, I did with my 5-year-old daughter. What we did was we practiced Pranayam. Pranayam is breathing exercise. There are 2 types of Pranayam. One is Vastrika and another is Anulom Vilom. I will be showing these 2 types of Pranayam in a while. First, let me just provide you some guidelines. When you practice Vastrika, it's better if you have, let's say, light stomach. What I mean to say is, if you had dinner, heavy dinner or lunch or breakfast, you might want to wait for 2 hours. That could be helpful. Also, it's better if you find a good place to practice these 2 pranayam. You could do multiple times in a day, but at least please do before you go to bed, because that's how it's more helpful. So now let me demonstrate how you can practice Vastrika and let's practice together if you want. So you just sit upright, your chest put yourself in a comfortable position. If you are sitting on a chair or on the floor, that's perfectly fine. The basic idea is that you want to breathe as deeply as possible. So let me show you how to practice Vastrika. Okay, if you want to close your eye, that's fine. If you don't want to close, totally fine. But for this video, please don't close your eyes. So you have to see me. Alright. So when you breathe, the first step is you breathe slowly. Close your mouth, only breathe in through your nostril. Again. You can breathe in and out for about 21 times, or if you want to do more, you can do, let's say, more than 50 times. Do as slowly as possible at the beginning. But the second step is same Vastrika, but do rapidly if you can. If you don't have any other health issues. If you are very healthy, please practice it rapidly. Let me show you. Sit upright and then breathe in, breathe out as fast as you can. You can take a break again you can practice Bhastrika. That is the first pranayam. The second is called Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom you can practice by, let's say, first close your right nostril, then breathe in through your left nostril as deeply as you can, and then close your left nostril and release through your right nostril. Now breathe in through your right nostril and then close, breathe out. This is for slow Anulom Vilom. Now you will involve in fast Anulom Vilom. Let's do it. That's how you can do Anulom Vilom. First slow, then fast. So if you try 3 times a day at least, that would be much more helpful. If you cannot do 3 times, do just 2 times or at least 1 time at night before you go to bed. So again, you will start to see some improvement. Maybe in a couple of days you will snore less. It's not that just snoring will go away in few days. It doesn't happen like that. When you practice more, you will see the result. It might take few weeks, few months, but you don't lose anything. Pranayam is not only for your snoring problem, it could be for your holistic health. You could have a number of benefits which I don't want to discuss now, maybe in other videos. But please practice pranayam so that you can solve snoring problem. Let's do it. Thank you.